The Ekiti State House of Assembly, at an emergency sitting on Monday in Ekiti, impeached and suspended the Speaker, Right Honourable Aribisogan, indefinitely. Aribisogan was removed by 17 members of the State House of Assembly amidst tight security. Right Honourable Adelugba was immediately elected as the new Speaker by the 17 members. Adelugba, from Emure constituency, was the chief whip of the Assembly before her current status. Honourable Aribisogan was suspended alongside 6 other members of the Assembly. The suspended Assembly members alongside Honourable Aribisogan include Tajudeen Akugbolu, Goke Olajide, Yemisi Ayokunle, Adeyemi Raphael Ajibade, Kemi Balogun, and Tope Ogunleye. Kayode Adegbile reporting for Puff TV News at Ekiti.
People of the Fountain.